Hi and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will create this kind of earrings. All necessary materials what you will need to create a pair of this kind of earrings you will find in the description below this video. Let's start. First of all, we need a connector. I have this kind of connector. Of course it will be a bit more difficult to create our seed bead part on this kind of connector, but in the meantime it will be more interesting. Or you can use instead just a metal connector without any inside and without this kind of loops. First of all, I take a quite long thread around 2 meters or even more. During creation we still most probably will need to add thread. First of all, divide our thread. With one half of the thread we will work, and another one just leave it as it is here, as a tail, as we will use it after for our strands. Enter with the needle inside the loop. Take 2 seed beads and go around again. Enter to the same loop. Then find seed bead which is on the right. Enter to it from the bottom. Pull. Then enter to the first seed bead from the top. And then inside the loop and to the right seed bead from the bottom and pull. Go one more time to our first seed bead from the top. Make a knot here. Then put our seed beads on its place and go inside the right seed bead from the bottom. Like that, our seed beads are secured on the place. Next we take one seed bead, go inside the loop and enter to the same seed bead from the bottom. We will work only with one seed bead at a time. First round will be most difficult, but then it will be easier. Again, one seed bead, enter to the loop and to the same seed bead from the bottom. Here I will start to use my second loop here as well, inside and to the seed bead from the bottom. One more inside the loop and then to the same seed bead from the bottom. Ready for my second loop. Now I will start to fill in my third loop as well, inside the loop and from the bottom to the same seed bead. Continue the same till you finish all our loops. Our first round is ready. Now we start to create our second round. For it we start as well with 2 seed beads and we enter under the thread in between our second and third seed bead from the first row. Then we enter to the nearest seed bead from the bottom, then again to the first seed bead from the top, and again to the second from the bottom, this way. Now we work with 1 seed bead and we enter with this 1 seed bead in between our third and fourth seed bead, as well under the thread, and we enter the same seed bead from the bottom. Again 1 seed bead under the thread here, and from the bottom to the same seed bead. One seed bead under the thread in between the seed beads, and to the same seed bead from the bottom. Continue the same till the end of the row. Our second row is ready. Now we will start to create our third and fourth row, but this time we will take another color and we start. We take again 2 seed beads, again under the thread in between second and third, all the same as we did previously. And last row, all the same. We start with 2 seed beads and then till the end of the row continue with 1. Now we will start to create our strands. Our first 4 strands, they will start, first one will start from this yellow, second, third and fourth. For it, enter to the next 2 seed beads here, and we need to weave our thread to the top, from where we will start our strands. And enter to the first seed bead from this side, from the top. And we start with 24 seed beads. We will mix them. 1 gray and 1 yellow. 24 in total. Then we take long silver seed bead, as well we mix, and we add 3 yellow seed beads in the end. Now we skip 3 and we go all the way up. Make sure your strand is flexible. Then enter from the top to the next seed bead from where we will start our second strand. Again 24 seed beads, and we start from gray. Our second strand is ready. As well, check flexibility of the strands. And we enter to the next seed bead here. All the same 24 seed beads, then we add silver seed beads and 3 seed beads in the end. We start with yellow. All our next strands till our last 4 strands will be 26 seed beads, and here will be all the same. I will continue to add 26 seed beads to each strand till I reach my last 4 strands that will contain 24 seed beads. We add 26 seed beads and then all the same. When my thread will become too short, I see I can create one more strand with the same thread. I will take my thread which is left from the beginning, I will weave my thread till necessary strand, and will continue to add 26 seed beads till I reach this part. I am on my last strand, which is 24 seed beads. Now I will secure my thread and cut it. My earring going a bit to the back side as well, so when you wear it from the side it looks as well very interesting. Now I will need to attach the hook and our earrings will be ready. I have this kind of silver hook. I will just pass into it this way and I will close it. our earrings are ready. As you can see, they came out very nice and playful with interesting shape. I hope this tutorial was useful for you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to comment below if you have any questions or suggestions, and see you soon in my next videos. Bye!